So now we're ready to take our first photograph. A couple of points to make here. First thing is safety. Sybil is not going to move, she's not real, but your baby can flinch at any time. So what I always recommend is once you've got the baby settled, your partner comes and sits next to baby, or here, somewhere you can get in, and just sits with baby, and you're there in case there's any twitches or flinches or baby's upset, so you can just put a gentle hand, calming hand there. If your baby's a little bit twitchy already, just have that hand there for the moment, and then while the other person is getting ready to set up and ready to take the photograph, when you're ready, then you can just lift the hand away and take the photograph, and then the hand can come back. So baby's nice and safe and secure at all times. Okay. Now, for this bit, I'm going to show you it using a camera. So this is just a normal SLR camera. You can use a compact camera too. Safety point number 1. If you've got a strap, you use it. Put it around your neck, put the one on your wrist, whatever it is. You're going to be holding a camera over the baby, so we want this to be nice and secure. Okay, you're going to be shooting from just about above the baby, almost directly above the baby. Now it can be quite hard to get high enough, so use your zoom lens and zoom out as much as you need to get the baby. We don't need all the table, we just need the baby in the camera frame. So, for me, you might need somebody tall to do this one. And there we go. We've taken our photograph. And that is going to be just beautiful, exactly what we want. Now what you can do, take a couple of photographs. You may look at it and you might think, oh, it looks a little bit dark, or it looks a little bit light. So we may have to tweak the exposure. Have a look in the notes, what I said about tweaking your exposures. You can add it up or down a little bit if you need to. Now let me show you using a phone. So here's my trusty iPhone. It's actually pretty good for photos. So like again before, now because you've got the baby there, again please be careful and be aware that you've got baby underneath, and make sure you've got a good hold on your camera. Use 2 hands, obviously without obscuring the camera. Holding your camera in place, and then bring the camera down to baby. Do not pinch zoom because you will lose all the quality in the image. So bring it down so you're filling your frame with baby, and take your photo. Click and done. If you have a look at the photo, you might think that it's a little bit bright on top of baby's head, in which case, let's have another go. This time, if you just touch on the screen where baby's head is, where it was a little bit bright, your camera will adjust the exposure a little bit for you. Go and take that picture, and you'll see that that's got a slightly darker bit now. It's not as bright. That's perfect, and that's all we need is just that picture, and I can work with that for you and make a beautiful image. Now obviously what always happens is we set baby up and we have all these beautiful photos, everything posed ready, we get the camera out and they move. So go back, tweak those little things. If you spot those fingers have gone, if they're in a big fist and you want to try and flatten them out, this is the time to do it. But you've got some pictures we can use if we don't manage this. Have a go at getting those fingers nice and flat. It's not easy. You need to hold a finger there for a little while. Same here. If the baby's face has turned slightly now, this is the time to put it back to where you want it. If the feet have moved, have a little go, tweak, arrange, adjust. Maybe baby wants to put a hand there, maybe you want to try a little bit of variation in the hand positions. Do it. Have a little play. Once you're happy and you get some more photos, take a couple more, and then you're done.